Have a good day, dear students. My name is Mayuri Karya. Today we will see the chapter 1 of Standard 7, Social Science, Civics, NCERT book. The book name is Social and Political Life 2. This we will see the first chapter on equality. Chapter 1 on equality. India is a democracy. In the class 6 book, we looked at the key element of democratic government. This includes people participation, the resolution of conflicts, and equality and justice. Equality is a key feature of democracy and influence all aspects of its functioning. In this chapter, you will read more about equality, what it is, why it is important in a democracy, and whether or not everyone is equal in India. Let's begin by looking at Kanta's story. Here a story has been given. Okay. Here means different people's example given. Manjit Kaur teacher, Teja Singh trader, Girish Rao student, Kanta Devi domestic worker, Sujata Kumari domestic worker. On election day, Kanta and her friend Sujata were waiting to cast their vote. It's good, Sujata, that we can all vote as equal citizens of our country. Even Jain Sahab is standing in the line with us. Yes. Go on, Kanta, it's your turn now. I will vote for the candidate who has promised to bring pipe water to our area. Okay, so means the people have been standing in the election line. Okay. Means here means in election line different people have been standing that they have shown. Abdul Rahman artisan, Shabnam Bano housewife, Gracie Lang consultant, Ishaq Lalang government officer, Ruxana Mirza media person, Yogaraj unemployed, Ashok Jain industrialist. After some time, we will see you later, Kanta. Yes, Namaste Sahab. Gudia has been running fever and I have to take her to the hospital, but I will have to finish the work at Sahab's house first and ask for some advance at home. Here, have you of this, you will feel better. And when I get back in the evening, we will go to the hospital. Okay. It's no wonder that Gudia falls ill often. The basti is never cleaned. Okay. So where the people are living means Gudia means the daughter of that lady is on and off means being ill because of the means bastis means where the in street where the people are living is uncleaned. Okay. Here pictures. Make sure to do the corner properly. Now that worker is working in house and means house master is telling that make sure to do the corner properly. Here's your advance, Kanta, but don't make a habit of it. No, madam. Means madam is giving advance for her daughter, but means she is telling that here's your advance. That evening, just few more minutes, pity. Jain madam and Jain sahab may stand in line to vote, but they never have to do it when their children are sick. Means that housemaid were doing the work na, the people don't have to stand in a line. Okay, but this means housemaid has to be stand in a line for taking the health facilities. Okay, equal right to vote. Means here is the Kanta's story. Okay, in first page you have seen means she has means cast the vote with means her master, but later on means she is living in a basti means that street means congested and unclean streets. Okay, so there means because of that environment her daughter is being ill on and off, so she has to go to the doctor, but to private doctor she cannot afford, so that's why she is standing in a government hospital's line. The story about being with Kanta standing in line to cast her vote. Look again at the various people who are standing in line with her. Kanta recognized her employer Ashok Jain and Chote Lal, her neighbor. In a democratic country like India, all adults, irrespectively of what regions they belong to, how much education they have had, what caste they are on, whether they are rich or poor, are allowed to vote. These, as you have already read in class 6 book, is called universal adult franchising. Okay, universal adult franchising means when a citizen of India is being 18-year-old, they are getting the right to cast their vote. Okay, that is called the universal adult franchise, and is an essential aspect of all democracies. The idea of universal adult franchise is based on the idea of equality because it states that every adult in a country, irrespective of their wealth and the communities she or he belong to, has one vote. Okay, Kanta is excited to vote and happy that she is equal to all of the other because each of them has one vote. Okay, so means this equality has been given to each and every citizen of India who is means above the 18 years, that they can cast their vote. In our India we have given this facility first in 9 when means we have construct our constitution, or we can say we were thinking about means our constitution. In this first, this demand has been kept that each and every citizen has to be right to give the vote. Okay, that's why the people have been accepted universal adult franchising means those who are above the 18 years or means of 18 years, they can cast their vote without means any means showing any religion, any community, any means gender, without any bias they can give their vote to choose their leader. Okay, but as her day goes on, Kanta become less certain about what this equality real means now Kanta is feeling that in voting line she felt that everyone is equal, means everyone has to be stand in a means same line. But now time pass means Kanta felt this really equality, this one is the equality. What it is that make Kanta unsure? Let's take a look at a day in her life. She lives in a slum and has a drain behind her house. Her daughter is sick, but she cannot take the day off from work because she need to borrow money from her employers to take her child to the doctor. Her job as a domestic helper tries her out, and finally she ended her day by again standing in a long line. This line in front of the government hospital is unlike the one in the morning because most of the people standing in it are poor. So means in the morning when she has gone for voting, everyone is in a means same line. though the people are poor, though the people are rich, okay, though the people are belonging to any community or religion, though means the people are male or female, but everyone has to be staying in a one line. So on that time means Kanta is feeling that this one is equality, but at the end of the day means she has to be standing in a means government hospital line for her daughter illness. Okay, so she is feeling that this one is a equality. This in this way we people are being treated. So she is feeling that is this a equality? So where is I cannot feel that equality. Okay, so somehow she is feeling like means unequal, that her masters means her employers means children would be means yes, so they people don't have to be stand in this line or like in like this kind of line. Okay, but Kanta has to be stand there. Other kinds of equality. Kanta is one of many people who live in democratic India and who have the right to vote, but whose daily living and working conditions are far from equal. Apart from being poor, people in India experience inequality in different ways. Let us see what this means by reading the two stories given below. Each of these is based on real incident in people's life and reflects the different kind of inequalities that exist in India. Okay, so first we need means which kind of inequality means Kanta has felt that we have seen. Now another cases where people will see one of the more common form of inequality in India is the caste system. If you live in rural India, your caste identity is recognizing that you probably learn from experience very long. If you live in urban area, some of you might think that people no longer believe in caste, but just look at this matrimonial shown from a leading English newspaper and you will see how important the issue of caste continues to be in the mind of highly educated urban India. Here is given the cutting of newspaper. Alliance invited for 30 MMS 5 foot 4 inch fair beautiful girl working in IT cooperative Mumbai from BE or MBA boy working in Mumbai from abroad working in Mumbai or abroad from IT industries. Caste no bar, SC ST excuse, send BHP must. Okay, so here means they are inviting a means girl for matrimonial, but here means the people are caste no bar, but SC ST is excused. Okay, means in other way the people want to say that means higher caste people only invited. Prof, qualified beautiful tall girl. 4 Gupta boy 28 by 6 foot. Okay, 28 each is age and 6 foot CA working MNC Texas USA and salary is $80,000. Okay, dollar 80K means $80,000. Tamil Brahmin Langer groom 1981 born Naithavang Kashyapa Gotharam Swati star 180 cm tall and fair. Means here the people have been given matrimonial for Tamil Brahmin girl. Okay, so in this matrimonial you can see the people are emphasizing on the caste. Now second paragraph. Now let us read a story about the experience of a Dalit child attending school. You have already read about Dalit in class 6 book. Dalit is a term that the so-called lower caste used to address themselves. Dalit means broken. And by using this word, lower caste are pointing to how they were and continue to be seriously discriminated again. Om Prakash Valmiki is a famous Dalit writer. In his autobiography Juthan, he writes, I had to sit away from the others in the class, and that too on the floor. The mat ran out before reaching the spot I sat on. Sometimes I would have no seat way behind everybody, right near the door. Sometimes they would beat me without any reason. When he was in class 4, the headmaster asked Om Prakash to sweep the school and the playground. He writes, the playground was way longer than my small physique could handle, and in cleaning it, my back began to ache. My face was covered with dust, and dust had gone inside my mouth. The other children in my class were studying and I was sweeping. Okay, so means here Om Prakash Valmiki, a famous writer, is telling his story of childhood. He is belonging from Dalit caste, or we can say means Harijan. Now we people are telling them Harijan. Okay, means Harijan means God's people. So he's telling means what kind of discrimination he has felt in during his school time. Means each and every student has to be sit in a class, but he has to sit far away from all children, near to the door. And sometimes means they have been beaten without reason by other caste people, because the people are thinking that he is belonging to the Dalit caste. Okay, and another thing that is that his headmaster has given him work that you are a Dalit. Dalit means this sweeping person are that those are doing the work of sweeping the roads, and that most of that people are being called the Dalit. Okay, so means his headmaster given him work that you have to clean the school class, or you have to clean means the whole playground of a school. But he was means too much small that he could not do that. His hands are means too much small to do that much bigger work, but still he has to do in school. Okay, and means when he is doing this work means all dust is going in his mouth, and he felt means somehow too much bad. The other children in my class were studying and I was sweeping. Okay, so means why we people are going to school to study. Okay, but other children were studying and he is means sweeping. He was sweeping the school. Headmaster was sitting in his room and watching me. Means he was doing the sweeping work and headmaster was observing him. I was not even allowed to get a drink of water. This much of means worst condition. He is not allowed to drink a water even. I swept the whole day for the doors and windows of men's schoolroom. The eye of the teacher and the boys show this spectacle. Okay, so means all the school boys and teacher has seen this. Om Prakash was made to sweep the school and the playground for the next couple of days, and this only came to an end with his father. Okay, so means many days means this thing has been continuous gone. But this end with when his father came. What happened to be passing by show his son sweeping. Okay, so means when his father was passing from nearer the school, he showed that his son was sweeping the school. Okay, so he confronted the teachers and then walking away from the school holding Om Prakash's hand. Means somehow he has means we can say now that confronted means somehow being angry on the teachers and then hold the Om Prakash's house and take him out of the school. He said loudly for all of them to hear, you are a teacher, so I am leaving now. But remember this much, master, he will study right here in this school, and not just him, but there will be more coming after him. means I will show this master that this in this way my child should not be treated, and somehow this is inequality. Now we have to means treat each and every student or each and every means child in the same manner, though they belong from any other caste or means the religion or we can say community. Okay, so he felt this. Here his book is Chuthan, okay, a Dalit's life. In this means he has explained all his means incident of life, or we can say whatever the Dalit people have been felt. Cover of Om Prakash Valmiki's book Chuthan, which talks about his experience of growing up as a Dalit boy. Okay, so means the people have been felt too much for this. So this one is the inequality. We people are talking about the equality in India. We people want to be means made digital India. We are means thinking for many means dreams for our India, but these are the basic things on which we have to be focused, that each and every person should be equal in our India. Okay, then our India will means be developed in a right manner, or we can say in a right word, it would be say the developed India. Okay, so this one is the first case study that we have seen. Second case study tomorrow we will see. Thank you so much.